Isikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele sikubikela zona ukusuka emzimkhulu wezokurhatsha eAuckland Park eJohannesburg. Asiqangule ngendaba ezikhamba phambili namhlanje.
But we are excited as South Africa and very privileged to be heading the G20 for the very first time on the African continent.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ilizwe lekhethu likulungele ukubamba umhlangano we-G20 ngenyanga kaSinyikhaba nonyaka. Ukutsho lokho emhlanganweni wemphathimandla ubanjelwe eCote d'Ivoire.
There is no state, even from the South African Police Service, that backs the fact that white Afrikaners are targeted on the basis of their race.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane bamazwe ngamazwe Ronald Lamola uthi ayikho indaba yokuninwa kwamabhuru lapha ekhethu. Uthi amabhuru akhambileko akusiwo abaphalali.
Le contract letter konyalo utawuba nemantibhamu etibhedlela nasema 24-hour clinics.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga uSasekani Manzini uthi kuzoqalelelwa phambili zokuphepha kwamanisi embedlela kunye namaklinika. Ukutsho lokhu namhlanje nakugidingwa ilanga lamazwe ngamazwe lokuhlonipha amanisi. Siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele zanamhlanje. Indaba nizibikelwa nguCedric Mwebya noChane Makhaya. Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi urhulumende wakhe uzokuraga nokulwela ijuguluko elizweneli. uRamaphosa uthe nakakhuluma embuthwaneni weAfrica CEO Forum eAbidjan eCote d'Ivoire. Umongameli uthi amabhuru ama-49 achinge eAmerica akaninwa ekhethu apha. Umbuso kaTrump unikele ngehlelo lokukhoseliswa kwamanye amabhuru weSouth Africa asola ukuthi ayaninwa elizweni lekhethu. Kodwa umbuso weSouth Africa uthi ihlelo leli liyabadanisa.
Excited to welcome His Excellency Cyril Ramaphosa, President of South Africa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kunye nomlingani wakhe weRwanda uPaul Kagame bahlezi ndawonye ke kwaba nokukhitshana ngamagama phakathi kwePitori neKigali malungana nepese ePumalanga eDRC. Nanyana ngasikokuthoma bahola babili aba bahlangana endaweni yinye indaba kule bidenjwa la ngiyokukhamba kwamabhuru ama-49 achinge eAmerica asebenzisa ihlelo lombuso kaTrump lokwakhoselisa.
Those people who are being enticed to go to the United States do not fit the definition of a refugee. A refugee is someone who has to leave their country out of fear of political persecution, religious persecution.
uRamaphosa usebenzisa ivakatsho lakhe leCote d'Ivoire ukuveza bona iSouth Africa ikulungele ukusingatha imbizo ye-G20.
We participate with a number of countries and the US also participates and leading to that summit where we will as South Africa hand over to the United States.
Enye indaba kule bekukhulunywa ngayo yipese ePumalanga eDRC.
I would like to compliment rather than contradict what President Kagame is saying. The processes that have been happening on the continent, either the Nairobi process or the Luanda process or the AU process, have been very, very essential in building a foundation of peacemaking.
If you look at what we've been doing on our continent, much progress has been made. I think we can't say nothing has been done, generally, whether it was to do with the reforms. And I think Africans have come together. They have defined things and speak with one voice. Increasingly, there is significant progress.
Nakusenjalo, umengameli Ramaphosa ufisa ukuqinisa ubudlelwano neCote d'Ivoire ebasingathi beAfrica CEO Forum begodi ilizwe liqhakathekileko eba nobudlelwano nalo etshingalanga yeAfrica.
Nakusenjalo, ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwano bamazwe ngamazwe uRonald Lamola uthi isiqundo samabhuru afulethele eSouth Africa achinge eAmerica bakakulungela ukufakwa esigabeni sokuba baphalali ama-refugees elizweni leliya. Ngombana basuke ngokuzikhethela bangakathuselwa. Lokhu njengoba isiqhema sokuthoma silindele ukufika eAmerica namhlanje. Mhlapha nje umengameli weAmerica uDonald Trump wamemezela ukuthi unesikhala sokukhoselisa abaphalali abavela eSouth Africa nange bazizwa bathuselwa namkha bahlalele evalweni. uLamula nabekaphendula umhleli wendaba zamazwe lapha kwa-SABC uSophie Mokoena namhlanje uthe umengameli usalindelwe livakatsho le-America.
There is no persecution of white South Africans, or in particular white Afrikaners, on the basis of their race in South Africa. South Africa is a constitutional democracy with the legislations and institutions in place. And in this regards, there is no stats, even from the South African Police Service, that backs the fact that white Afrikaners are targeted on the basis of their race or on the basis that they are white farmers. The white farmers in South Africa still constitute the majority.
Asikale umbono wakho mbukeli ngale ndaba eqeda ukuphela. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Mkhashi makoro ngamakoro abakhambe mkhasha wiweni la inhliziyo evuma khona
siyabakhulula sithi indlela nhle kubo vele sesigcwele kakhulu kwelelizwe
omunye nomunye umuntu unelungelo lokwenza into ayithandayo net bangathi nabafika le bathi baxotshiwe
bahambayo thina sosala siyincenga vele bebengasayenzi kwa farming leyo nabo bese sisebenza nabe emafemini siqashwa njengabo
abafuna kuhamba abakhululeke bahambe basishiye ngokuthula bayele kubabo wabo
akakhambe kuhle kube khambe wonke nje vele ngoba phela vele lenaga le ngiyamasewula Africa bona kuhle kuhle nje bafika ngalezo ndlela abafika ngazo
bona baphetheke kahle kakhulu eSouth Africa ngabe yithi nje esambayo
bazozihlekisa ngama America bazobabiza ngamaphandle abakhambe ngisho bafuna ukubukwa
ukuhamba kwawo futhi lamabhunu ahamba ele eMelika ukudala okunye ukukhuluma futhi lokho ngoba hamba nje abaxoshiwe.
Kanti umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlwalo wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ukuphepha kwamanesi kube yindaba nkulu nagidingwa ilanga lamazwe ngamazwe lamanesi eMpumalanga. Ilanga lithwaya ukuqhakatheka kwendima elingamanesi kezempilo nemphakathini. Kanti impilo yamanesi nayo kube yindaba ekhamba phambili namhlanje. Isekela lesibili likaMengameli weDinosa uLena Jiyane kunye nosomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga uSasekani Manzini ngibo ababambe umnyanya wokugidinga amanesi lo emkhuhlu eduze neHeziView.
Bahlwe bavuma bagida kamnandi bathabele ilanga labo umhla ka12 wenyanga le ulilanga elikhulu lamazwe ngamazwe lokugidinga umsebenzi omuhle wamanesi kezempilo nanyana kunjalo ukusahlelwa kwabasebenzi bezempilo kuye namanesi kusesesitshijilo esikhulu esifundeni lesi.
What we want the securities to be strengthened in a way that we do not talk about the human resources only, but even the technical things that they may be used to ensure that our safety and security in our institution becomes better.
Ngomnyaka ophelileko amanesi nenguli basahlelwa bebathathelwa izinto zabo esibhedlela seCaroline eMpumalanga. Amanesi afuna uhulumende aqinise zokuphepha emsebenzini nabo. Kanti enye indaba ekhambe phambili kube yindaba yokuxhayelwa kwabasebenzi.
Sinema borders la eMozambique neSwaziland that labeta eMpumalanga bete batofuna lisito and siyashota sinema nurse and siphinde shode ngema resources.
Eswacela kakhulu uhulumende wethu ukuthi asinikeze izinsiza senzo kanjalo nabasebenzi abaningi ukuze sizokhona ukwenza lo msebenzi ngokusheshsha.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo esifundeni uSasekani Manzini uthi bazizwile inlilo zabasebenzi kanti umemezele ukuthi kunamahlelo asendleleni wokuhlomisa abogadi bamaziko wezempilo.
Le contract letter konyalo utawuba nemantibhamu etibhedlela nasema 24-hour clinics zokuthi manesi wethu aphephe ngoba sesizesende lokho ngoba lo mphakathi lokufuna ngabo uvikela amanesi nguwo lo uhlukumeta lamanesi.
Nakusenjalo ilangeli ligidingwa ngemva kwenyanga kujanyiswe amanesi amathathu emsebenzini ngonobangela wephenyo lokuthi batsho babethe isiguli esibhedlela seThonga. Isiguli leso kuthiwa sabhubha ngemva kweveke yesehlakalo.
Ikhotho ephenya malungana nensolo zebatsho yokukhahlumeza ngokomseme ekusolwa ngazo ijaji lePumalanga Kapa uSelby Mbenenge uzwe bona kuyakhonakala ukucabhela umgadangiso wekhemera ye-CCTV nasele ufakwe emchinini. Lokhu kuvezwe emnqophisi wezokuphathwa kwemakhiwo nezevikeleko eofisini lejaji elikhulu uPrabha Galan Naidu okungufakazi wamva nje uzokwethula ubufakazi ekhotho.
Naidu befakaza amalungana nevideo ekhotho ephakemeko eMthatha ngomhla ka-14 no-16 kuSinyikhaba ka-2022. Ivideo le hlobana nezwango batsho ukuthintana bunqopha phakathi kommangali nobhala wejaji u-Andiswa Mengu nabekafokiswa umdosi phambili wobufakazi u-Advocate Salome Schippers malungana nokuthi ivideo eselifakwe emtshinini ingacapheleka na. uNaidu uthe iye kuyakhonakala.
For the footage to be downloaded from the system to be uploaded on the memory stick as you received it, is it possible to tamper with the footage?
I think it is possible to tamper with the footage. Because once the footage is downloaded off the system, when it's on the system, it is perfect, it's safe. Because you need administrator credentials to access the live recordings. But once it's on the hard drive itself, where it's being prepared to be placed onto the USB, so you can tamper with that footage because it becomes raw footage.
So what you received is what you presented to us?
Precisely.
Ukulalelwa kwecala kuyaraga.
Umndeni wakamma oneminyaka ema-51 ubudala ufuna impendulo. uJudith Ntimane kuthiwa batsho unyamelele esibhedlela intonga eMpumalanga ngemva kweveke angeniswe esibhedlela. Abantwana bakhe bathi isibhedlela sibatshele ukuthi zimbili indlela okungenzeka ukuthi unina ulahleke ngazo, kodwa bathi ayikho indlela abatshelwe yona ezwakalako. Kanti nemizamo yabo yokuzuma unina iphelele emoyeni.
Funa impendulo. Izakhamuzi ezihlanganyele nomndeni ejimeni lokufunana noJudith Ntimane. Abendazana bakaNtimane bathi ihlathulule bayithole esibhedlela izwakali. Thiwa batsho uNtimane bekambethe izambatho zesibhedlela nakanyamalako impahla yakhe yonke isele esibhedlela.
Bathi bona ba-organize ukuthi simane siphume simphakathi sithi izulu lethu because isibhedlela isithuli noma singaya khosile bathi bacela usohlala eholeni. It's like ngathi basifihla ukuthi abantu bangathuki lapha around laba bantu basithi. Bathi sathi sinesibandanga esikhona ukuhlala eholeni sicela isichazele unyamalale njani unomdzala.
Imphathimandla zomnyango wezempilo esifundeni zithi zizokwazisa wonke umuntu nangaba nokutsho kuvelako ngokunyamalala kwesiguli.
Happened. Hence, we are involving the SAPS to assist us in that regard, looking for the patient. So we'll also make the public to know how far away as far as that is concerned.
Amalunga womphakathi njenganje athwenyekile ngamalunga emndeni abasesibhedlela.
Njengoma make anyamalale phakathi esibhedlela kuyasithusa kakhulu lokho siyacabanga ukuthi vele nangabe sho ukuthi le case lena ayikaqini kusatowendeka ukuthi kunyamalale bantu esibhedlela.
Nanyana kunjalo umnyango wezempilo uthi uqala uqinisa zokuphepha embedlela.
Doing now is to increase security and to increase security measures where we working on installing cameras in all of the hospitals because there's been a number of incidents that patients just disappear and then we don't know their whereabouts. Most of them are mental patients.
Amapolisa athi asazumana noNtimane kanti abangaba nelwazi ngokunyamalala kwakhe ukuthi beze ngaphambili.
I see the world through the eyes of a child. The world's wonders mesmerize me, discovering joy in the people where the sun still shines. Itlang Mabonen, Mzansi Africa, rediscovering the sense of wonder. I see all colors, even those beyond the rainbow. I can see clearly now, the light will shine so bright.
Zisekhona indaba mbukeli kanti nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izazi zomkhumbulo nama-union wamapholisa zithi ezinye zezinto ezibangela ukuthi amapholisa agandeleleke ngokomkhumbulo kusebenza endaweni ezingakakulungeli ukusebenza kizo. Umsebenzi omningi khulu nokuba sengozini yokulahlekelwa impilo. Hlangana nokhunye bakhombela ukubuyekezwa komthetho wezobulelesi Criminal Procedure Act, bathi umthetho lo ubeka laba abaliswana nobulelesi ebujameni obumbi lokha nabaqalene nengozi.
Kumele ngibutshelo selabeke phasini indambe epholiseni usebenzela amaziko wezomthetho ngaphambi nangemva kwesikhathi sebandlululo. Ukhumbulana kaza kuqalana nokufa ngemva kokudunyuzwa ehloko nabekagijimela endaweni yesehlakalo.
Was on the undercover mission. When they discovered that there was a police presence to foil that robbery, I was identified and isolated. So a gun battle ensued, and I suffered a gun wound shone from my head, from the forehead, and then exited somewhere in the top. I survived that. I was hospitalized, released after 2 days.
Izazomkhumbulo ziyavuma ukuthi umsebenzi omningi khulu amapholisa aqalene nawo nobungozi obuza nokuba lipolisa kungabangela ukugandeleleka ngokomkhumbulo.
Policemen and women are repeatedly exposed to traumatic events such as violent crimes, accidents, and deaths, that they come across whenever they report to scenes. And this can lead to development of post-traumatic stress disorder.
Kananya nama-union avumelana nalokhu amapholisa akalifuni isizo langaphakathi ngombana asaba ukuthi imfihlo zabo ziza kuphumela ngaphandle.
If and when it is known that you have had some mental breakdown before, the likelihood of you getting promoted becomes minimized.
ISAPS ithi lanele isekelo lomkhumbulo elinikelwa amapholisa.
Employee Health and Wellness follows an integrated approach utilizing psychology professionals, social workers, chaplains, and medical administration practitioners to provide support and assistance to employees of SAPS.
Ama-union yakhombela ukuthi kubuyekezwe i-Criminal Procedure Act.
Kazemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya ngomvulo napho ubujamo bakho bezulu sibona lapha livulileke endaweni ezinengi iSouth Africa yonke pheze likubze sengamafuke ngaphange eGauteng nale esifundeni sangeLimpopo inkombezi ngezitsho khona ukuthi kunomoyana ophembethako nasithi siyaqala ke kusasa sibona lapha ke ikungu enengihle endaweni zangeMpumalanga nangapha ngePitori ikhona ke ikungu abantu batsheje bayelele khulukhulu ke ekseni nabazokushayela inkomba ke zisatsho khona ke ukuthi kunomoya lapha ke endaweni zabo Springbok sibona ikhonakalo yomlilo wamahlathi namkhana umlilo wemango siyakusuduka ukuthi ubone ukuthi kunjani ubujamo bezulu kuthoma kulale kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Pitori ipholile nge-23 iJohannesburg yona ke nge-21 eBronkhorstspruit nge-22 sokucala isifunda sangaleke ngeLimpopo naso ke sipholile endaweni ezinengi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi noma ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza endaweni zalapha eMokopane nge-9 nalapha ke ePhulukwane nge-8 impumalanga ke yona ke ibonakala endaweni ezilapha yenza sesekhunda kumakhaza hle ngokuhamba kwesikhathi nokho ke kuyaphola kubomhlanga kupholile ngemva kwamadina nakhona ke ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza isikhukhuza bonakala ifuthumela ngemva kwamadina iKwaZulu Natal ke lapha ePietermaritzburg eKokstad nalapha ke eMnambithi kumakhaza hle ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyaphola iRichards Bay ngemva kwamadina ifuthumele neDurban lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa nakhona ke njengendawo eziningi ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza hle khulukhulu lapha eKomani nge2 ekseni kanti ngemva kwamadina kuphole nge23 lapha eMthatha ke khona ke kufuthumele neqonqe nge24 eMjingalanga Kapa yona ke ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kodwa lapha eCape Agulhas kumakhaza na ekseni nemini yonke iNorthern Cape ibonakala ke ifuthumele kodwa nekuseni nebusuku kumakhaza hle endaweni zalapha kuboSutherland nge0 eFreystata bonakala nayo ke njengendawo eziningi iphola ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kusebusuku nekuseni lapho kumakhaza khona nesifundeni sangalinge eHlogwini Jingalanga nakhona ke kunjalo ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kupholile kanti ke ekseni nebusuku kumakhaza abantu bambathe bafuthumela sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido
Indaba zesiZulu ziyalandela nge-hour lekhomba kanti kusasa zikhona indaba zeSwati ngesikhathi esifanako. Nisale nomusa.